Ladies and gentlemen, her.
Only
Hi guys, I just arrived at Naiya. I'm here with Glenn and John Paul. And si Nicole, ayun siya, nag-withdraw. So here's Mash and here's Yan. Hello guys! This is where we're going to stay tonight. Kasi ano lang siya, in front ng port. So we're going to leave early tomorrow morning. Time check guys, so it's 6:10 in the morning and we're currently prepping kasi punta kami ng Magete Port later on the way to Siquijor. We're finally here at Port of Siquijor.
Kailangan daw may license, hindi niya dala.
Ayan. Isa lang guys ang marunong sa amin mag-drive ng ganito.
Marunong ako, wala akong lisensya.
Oh, marunong walang lisensya. Marunong may lisensya pero hindi dala ang lisensya. Hindi marunong walang lisensya. Hindi marunong walang lisensya. Saya ng buhay.
Passenger lang.
Passenger princess. This is here sa Sandugan, Larena, Siquijor. Ang ganda guys. Reception area. Okay. Oh my God. Oh my God, yung dagat. Ate, Aquamare. Aquamare? Aquamare.
Aquamare po.
Aquamare. Yun. Aquamare Beach Camp Resort. So, dito yung papasok. Ayan, merong pool there. Later on siguro I'll show you na lang the rest of the pool area. Pero ito yung way sa ano namin. How do you call this? Dome? Dome. So inside their dome, merong dalawang bed. Kasi apat kami here eh. And television, may couch area. Ayan, so ang ganda diba? Yun. And the good thing about this is meron siyang aircon. Air condition yung room. Ang saya, ang ganda. Next na pupuntahan is Paliton Beach. Ayan, we're going to look for a place to eat for lunch. Ready na yung mga drute. Ready na po ang mga tao. Aalis na lang kung aalis na. Pero hindi ko alam kung bakit hindi pa umaalis. Nakapag-rent kami ng van, 3,000 per day siya. Dahil 6 kami, 500 per head. Sulit naman siya, at least hindi na hassle. Go!
Kala ko Tokyo Drift.
Hi! Here yung cottage namin is only 300 pesos. Ano,
Hi,
siya,
guys!
unlimited. Hello! Say hi!
Hi. Hi.
I'll take a closer look. Ayan. Can you see? It's so nice. Ayan o. So nice here.
Nice, guys.
Paliton Beach, Siquijor. We're already here at Cambogahay Falls. Ayan. Waiting lang for the tickets. We thought na hanggang 6 siya. Apparently hanggang 5 lang. So, I don't know if palagi or today lang. But ano ha, careful kayo when you're here. Ayan. Especially now that we're trying to make it fast. Dapat careful lang. Maraming pagod paakyat, guys. Hindi na ako nag-video. Yay! Sarap!
Dalawa na, naubos na kay kuya.
We're finally back here sa room namin. It's actually very early pa, like 10 in the evening. Kasi we were supposed to go to JJ's, which is a bar here sa Siquijor. But it's a Sunday. And apparently, acoustic lang yung piniplay sa lahat ng bars. I'm not sure if that's true, but from what I heard, ganun siya. So, hindi rin masyadong maraming tao dun sa ibang places. We decided na lang to drink like a few glasses. So, yun. Baka we'll rest na lang tonight and tomorrow ulit. We're now on the way to Pitoggo Cliff and I have my luggage. Yung ibang gamit ko andun na kasi mauna ako malis sa kanila. Flight ko is tonight at 7 p.m. Hi, Mash! Hi, guys!
Drama yung mga reels.
Hi!
Yung maiiyak ka talaga, ma.
Pero diba, gamitin mo yung boses ni Amber.
Malaya tayo.
Malaya tayo.
Anong nararamdaman mo, Glenn?
May bata, oh. Totoo ba yan?
Ate, anong bata? Anong bata? Saan bata?
Nakikita mo.
Ay, tumaan!
Baka wala.
Kayo!
Wala ang tao.
ka pa.
Ay, nawala siya, gago.
Seryoso ba?
Nawala siya.
Sabi sa'yo wala.
Wala nga. Wala nga bata. Ang ganda ng area here, guys, ng pool. Hi! You know, if babalik ako here, dito ako mag-check-in. I like it. Beach area and then dito yung restaurant. Ganda. Love it. Hello. We're here at Pitoggo Cliff. Nagbayad kami ng 30 pesos na entrance per pax kanina. Ooh. Ito siya. Yan. Bye!